Okay, so for question 5, in the diagram, O is the center of the circle, AB and BC are the tangents. So again, whenever you see the word tangents, you should know you will have a 90 degree, you will have another 90 degree here, right? Given OA is 5, so this is 5, this is also 5 because both of the lines, they are radius. OB is 13, so OB is 13, you need to find your angle AOC. AOC is this part, right? In order for you to find angle AOC, you can first find your angle AOB or your COB first, then just multiply by 2 because this, assuming this is your X, this is also going to be your X, right? Because you will have two identical triangles over here, right? And for you to find your angle AOB or COB, you will need to use the Pythagoras theorem as well as your trigonometry ratio. So this is your right angle. Assuming this is your OC, you will have 5 here, you will have 13 here. And this is your B, and you are looking for this angle theta. Okay, so to get your angle theta, this is your O, this is the A, the adjacent, and the longer side is going to be your H, your hypotenuse. And since you have your A value and your H value, you should know you are going to use your cos, because cos is going to be equal to A over H. Alright, so angle BOC cos equals to 5 over 13. This is the first rule, right? And in order for you to get your angle BOC, you need to inverse your cos. And you can leave your answer to rounding off to 2 decimal places lah, right? So after getting your answer, you will get 67.38. So 67.38 degrees. And this is not done yet because you are looking for the entire angle. So angle AOC, you will use 2 of 67.38 to find your answer, right? So your answer, final one, is going to be 134.76 degree. Okay, so for B, you are required to find the length of AB. So to find your AB length, basically is also equals to your CB length, right? This is the length of your CB or your AB, and you have your H and also one of the shorter side, and this is basically your basic Pythagoras theorem, right? You will just use 13 minus 5, but don't forget to put in your square as well as your square root, right? So you will have 169 minus 25, and you have a square root of 144, which will bring you 12 cm, right, as the answer. And moving on for your C, you are required to find the area of the quadrilateral OABC, which means that everything here, right? Under OABC quadrilateral, this quadrilateral is being formed from two identical right angle triangle, and this is a 12 cm. So to get your area of OABC, you will use 2 times the area of right angle triangle, right? So the area of right angle triangle is going to be your half multiply the perpendicular length, right? In this case, you will get your 12 and 5 to perform your multiplication. So this is a 12 and 5 thing. Okay, and after your simplification, you should get 60 as a whole, and don't forget to put in your units, right? So the answer for this part is going to be your 60 squared centimeter.